Speed limits are just suggestions, bro. If my car can hit 120 miles an hour, why would the manufacturer even allow it if I wasn't supposed to use it? Ah, yes. And the stove goes up to 500 degrees. But I don't see you shoving your hand in there just because you can. This is the exact logic that puts people on breaking news segments, bro. And here we have the Armrest Warrior, a fascinating yet tragic creature. Notice how he confidently asserts things he just made up. Science has yet to explain why Aly and I haven't relocated him to a new ecosystem, preferably one without Wi-Fi. Wow, Mr. David Attenborough, you done? You out here narrating my life like I'm a National Geographic special. At least I'm interesting. You out here acting like a human Wikipedia page that nobody asked for. Statistically speaking, speeding is a factor in nearly a third of all fatal crashes. The faster you go, the less time you have to react. You're not Vin Diesel. The road is not your racetrack. And that check engine light in your car, that's your vehicle begging you to calm down. Okay, but what if I'm late? Just then leave earlier. You're not rewriting the laws of physics just because you overslept. But bro, I gotta text back. It's important. Is it a literal emergency? Like life or death? Nah, but she left me on red. And I gotta let her know I saw her message. So she knows I'm ignoring her too. So you're risking your life to be petty? This is how people become memes, bro. Distracted driving kills thousands of people each year. Your reaction time drops to drunk levels when you're on your phone. If it's that urgent, pull over. If not, put your phone down and drive like someone who values their insurance premiums. Fine, but what about eating while driving? I can multitask. What? Gotta eat. And yet, you judge people who text while driving? Eating while driving increases the likelihood of an accident by 80%. If you spill something, your natural instinct is to look down, grab a napkin, and boom. 2 seconds later, you're trending on Twitter for all of the wrong reasons. Not Twitter! Wait, isn't it called X now? Yes, Twitter, where people will roast you endlessly. Do yourself a favor. Eat before or after you drive. All right, folks, it's time for an ad. Or maybe not. That's up to the almighty YouTube algorithm. Let's see if we're worthy of getting paid. Well, I guess we're still broke. Carry on. But that guy cut me off. I gotta let him know. Let him know what? That you also have bad decision-making skills? Facts. No one's winning in a road rage battle, bro. The moment you engage, you're risking your life over what? Someone not using a turn signal? Oh, look at Mr. Responsible over here, sitting all quiet like he's some wise old sage. You know, for a guy who talks about cars all the time, you sure drive like an overprotective babysitter. What, you too mature to argue? Too above it all? Come on, man. You act like you got a direct hotline to the DMV. What's next? Writing parking citations on your free time? You done? Maybe, maybe not. Let me help you out. You out here throwing jabs at someone for minding his own business. You realize that, right? I mean, yeah, but it's funny. Right. Hilarious. You mock him for being responsible, for actually thinking about his choices. Meanwhile, you're the one who would end up in a Florida Man headline for trying to prove a point on the highway. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Florida Man? Nah. You're not putting me in that category. I have standards. Oh? And yet, here you are, clowning on the one guy who actually knows what he's doing. Sounds insecure. Okay, damn. I guess he got some wisdom or whatever. No need to team up on me. Good. Now let him be. Yeah, whatever. I'm trying to. You know what's better than proving a point? Living? That's so boring, though. So is getting arrested. Let it go, bro. Let it go. At the end of the day, it's simple. Drive smart, drive safe, and don't be that guy that ends up on a viral compilations of bad drivers. Whether it's speeding, texting, eating, or road rage, none of it is worth it. Remember, the goal is to reach your destination, not a news headline. Fine. I'll be responsible, whatever. That's what we like to hear. I'm here, I see you, and I'm trying to. Catch you in the next one. Oh, you're still here? Cool. Hit the bell. Or don't. But like, why wouldn't you?